I started experimenting with meditation about 6 months ago. There was a lot going on in my life, and some of the things were just absolute nightmare. And I got tired of feeling not in control of my own life. I had to do something about that, and I had heard so much about meditation, so I began to meditate. Initially, I didn't know what I was doing, and I found it very difficult to concentrate on nothing. Whenever I sat down to meditate, I couldn't slow down the constant chatter in my mind, but through regular practice, I learned that the chatter was okay, and I just had to keep bringing my focus back to, for example, my breathing. Fast forward that to now, to be honest, I feel more in control of my thoughts, and if I slip into a negative thought, I acknowledge it, but do not fuel it. I rather try to replace it with a positive thought. To the day, what I've come to experience through meditation, I don't think I can fully describe that to you, but there have been a few remarkable changes on my life as a result of meditation, and that's what I'm going to reveal to you in this video. And you can also enjoy these benefits through meditation, so keep watching till the end. Number 1, it increases your happiness level. The greatest thing about meditation is that it teaches you to be happy in the present moment. For most people, happiness is attached to something in the future. You might tell yourself that you'll be happy when you have a certain amount of money in your bank account, or when you're a particular weight and size, or have a fantastic romantic relationship, or maybe when you get a promotion. We get so focused on wanting more that we don't even know what's going on in our lives in the present, let alone be happy about the present. You get the idea, right? One of the things you will repeatedly do while meditating is deep breathing. Practicing deep breathing regularly will completely transform you. It brings you back to a state of calm very quickly, so even when you're unhappy, you can quickly snap out of it. By bringing yourself to present, you'll reduce stress dramatically and go in a natural state of happiness, or at least calmness. Number 2, it increases your focus. Have you ever felt that you're becoming forgetful? You know, the times you find it difficult to recall a person's name, or you often forget whether you locked your car or not? Well, you're not losing your memory, it's just that you don't remember stuff because you didn't concentrate at that time, and in simple words, you were not present in the present moment. Meditation is perhaps the only mental exercise with so much evidence of its ability to improve cognition and focus. Now, let me share with you an interesting study done by University of California. They recruited 60 participants, and half of them were assigned a retreat to practice mindfulness meditation every day for 3 months, and the other half were just asked to do the routine work. After 3 months, both groups were asked to watch a series of lines flash on a screen. Participants were to note down whenever they saw a line that was shorter than the others. This detail-oriented test forced participants to focus so intently. Researchers found that those who meditated were significantly more likely to see increasingly small differences in the lines. In other words, meditation group had improved concentration. Number 3, you become a positive person. In the beginning of the video, I told you about the tough time I was going through, and I kept getting this overwhelming feeling that I was lacking something. I felt like I wasn't good enough or smart enough, and I just couldn't shake that loop. Finally, through the regular practice of meditation, I learned that positivity can't be achieved from outside sources. It comes from the inside out. And when you're meditating, whether that's for 10 minutes or an hour, that is a time you do not allow the negative thoughts to enter your mind. Your mind for sure will go wandering in all sorts of directions, but your job is to keep bringing it back to the present moment. And this way you will stay positive for the time you're meditating. And when you spend an hour being positive, it will in turn make you, guess what? More positive. Our energy and actions have domino effect on our day. If you put out negative energy, if that is what you focus on, that is what you will continuously see all day. But when you create positive feelings, everything you see seems to change. You know, there are still days when I go back to being all negative again, but the difference is now I know how to deal with it more effectively. 10 minutes of meditation can have a really significant and profound impact on your overall well-being. Well, it definitely has on mine. Alright, that brings us to the end of the video. Let's hear your meditation experiences in the comment section below. If you like the video, please hit the like, thumbs up button, and if you're watching my videos for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.